In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix TikTok Shop date of birth. This walkthrough will show you exactly where your date of birth lives in the app and what you can and can't change, so you know what to expect before you try to update anything. First, open your TikTok app and make sure you're signed into the correct account. From the main screen, head straight to your profile. You'll find the profile button at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to open your account page. Next, look to the top right corner and tap the three horizontal lines. This opens the main menu, sometimes called the hamburger menu. From here, choose Account to get into your account settings. These are the settings that control your personal details and the information TikTok keeps on file for you. Inside the Account section, tap User Information. This area shows the core details tied to your account, including your date of birth. When you open User Information, you'll see your date of birth displayed on the screen. And here's the key point. You'll notice that the date of birth field is locked and cannot be edited from this page. That's expected behavior. TikTok restricts date of birth changes because your age affects safety features, content access, and eligibility for services like TikTok Shop. Once an account's age is established, the app prevents direct edits to help protect users and maintain compliance with age-related policies. If the option to change your date of birth isn't available, it means edits aren't supported in-app for that field. A couple of tips as you review what you see. First, double-check that you're viewing the correct account if you manage more than one. The date of birth is specific to each profile. Second, be aware that eligibility for TikTok Shop depends on meeting age requirements in your region. If your date of birth indicates you're under the required age, the shop features won't be available and the app won't let you modify your birth date to bypass those rules. Third, keep your app up to date so the layout and labels match what you're seeing here. Menu names can vary slightly between versions and regions, but the path remains the same. Profile, the three lines, account, then user information. To recap, open TikTok, go to your profile, tap the three horizontal lines, select Account, then User Information. You'll see your date of birth displayed there, but it isn't editable in the app. Understanding this limitation helps you avoid unnecessary troubleshooting and ensures you know exactly where to confirm the information tied to your account.